What is a fart? A fart, often known as gas or flatulence, is the buildup of gases within the small intestine from digestion and respiration. It is a normal part of how the body works and often not a health concern. Farting is normal. People break wind an average of 14 to 23 times a day, emitting anywhere from half a liter to more than 2 liters of gas over a 24-hour period. And, believe it or not, 99% of gas is odor-free. But sometimes your farts are just downright funky, forcing you to ask yourself, why do my farts smell so bad? There's a pretty valid reasons for your not so pleasant smelling gas. Silent but deadly ones, the really smelly guys, are due to fermentation by bacteria in your colon. Are farts really good for your health? Fart benefits. Farting is a sign your body, specifically your digestive tract, is working as it should. Indeed, farting is a benefit of a healthy body. It includes, tells you if your diet is balanced, reduces abdominal pain, improves colon health, reduces bloating, identifies food allergies or intolerances, signifies a healthy gut, sounds a health alarm. The smell of farts is very good for your health. The smell of farts is very good for your health and can prevent illness in the long run, and can even prevent many dangerous diseases. Recent research in animals suggests that hydrogen sulfide, one of the major components of smelly gas, the one that gives it that rotten egg smell, might provide some health benefits in humans, from preventing heart disease, stroke to kidney failure. Initial clinical studies of AP39 hydrogen sulfide compound yielded benefits beyond expectations in humans. These include lower blood pressure. A 2015 study trusted source found AP39 may make blood vessel walls less stiff. Treat heart attack and stroke. A 2018 study suggests AP39 may widen blood vessels and make them pump blood more efficiently, which can treat a heart attack or reduce the chances of stroke. Improve kidney health. A 2016 study trusted source suggests AP39 may treat kidneys damaged by inflammation. Protect your brain. A 2015 study trusted source suggests AP39 may protect the brain from damage after a heart attack. A 2016 study trusted source suggests it may prevent dementia or Alzheimer's. Trusted source. Reduce the effects of aging. A 2018 study trusted source suggests AP39 may protect cell structures that weaken over time. The idea at the center of all these studies is that hydrogen sulfide reduces the effects of oxidative stress on cells. This helps them stay strong and last longer. Recent research in animals suggests hydrogen sulfide, one of the main components found in smelly gas, may provide certain health benefits, like preserving heart health or preventing dementia in humans. Why do you farts smell so bad? If you're having wicked gas, it's probably something you ate and not necessarily a bad thing. Gas is a healthy, normal byproduct of digestion, after all. It might mean you've fed your gut nutritious, fiber-rich, plant-based foods. However, sometimes a bad odor can signal a more serious health problem requiring a thorough workup by a GI doc. 1. The bugs in your gut. During digestion, gut bacteria produce sulfur-containing compounds like hydrogen sulfide that create a stench in your gas. The foods you eat can influence the population of bacteria that live in your colon, which then affects your farts. Certain people have a certain type of flora inside of them that causes them to produce more gas or smell your gas. 2. Sulfur-rich foods. Foods high in sulfur can make your farts reek of rotten eggs. Cruciferous veggies like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, and cabbage are often to blame. Other sulfur-rich foods include garlic, onions, legumes, cheddar cheese, dried fruit, nuts, beer, and wine. Even animal proteins, like eggs, meat, and fish all high in sulfur may be problematic. 3. Lactose intolerance. Some people blame milk, ice cream, and cheese for stinking things up, and rightly so. An estimated 30 to 50 million Americans are deficient in the enzyme needed to digest lactose, aka lactase, the natural sugar found in dairy products. The effect is smelly gas, since milk and certain cheeses have a high sulfur content. People can also be intolerant to, and pass smelly gas from, other sugars, including sucrose, table sugar, and fructose, found in fresh fruit, corn syrup and some processed foods. 4. Raffinose. Beans. They're a rich source of protein, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, but making you fart. Beans contain raffinose family oligosaccharides, RFOs. a group of sugars that are at least partially responsible for the bloating and gas that can occur after a beanie meal. So do lentils, legumes, and cruciferous veggies. The human GI tract lacks an important enzyme needed to break down and digest these sugars. 5. Sugar alcohols. Beware of sugar alcohols, like sorbitol and xylitol, which can be found in diet drinks, sugar-free candy, and some chewing gum. These sweeteners cannot be fully absorbed by the body, so they travel to the colon where they can contribute to awful-smelling gas. 6. Constipation. Bagels, rice, and pasta aren't necessarily gas-producing carbs. But load up on these low-fiber picks, and you may have difficulty moving your bowels. That's when things get smelly. When you're constipated, poop hangs around your colon for too long, and then bacteria can really go to town and cause lots of gas. 7. Medicines. Certain prescription drugs, vitamins, and supplements can do a number on your gut, including turning your farts foul. They differ by drug. How badly that gas stinks varies from one person to the next. People taking the medication Orlistat commonly experience gas with oily discharge. Iron supplements are also known to cause gas and bloating. The diabetes drug metformin can also make you gassy. 8. Infection or disease. Talk to your doctor if you have fever, weight loss, blood in your stool, or persistent diarrhea alongside your stinky farts, or if you have a history of inflammatory bowel disease or colon cancer. Other conditions that can cause smelly farts, including a bowel obstruction, inflammatory bowel disease, such as Crohn's disease, colon cancer, celiac disease, an immune reaction to gluten, and C. difficile, a bacterial infection that causes diarrhea. How to ease gas, flatulence, bloating. In many cases, a person can try to treat flatulence at home. Often, changes in diet can be enough to reduce or get rid of smelly gas. These changes may require eating less of or avoiding several foods. The foods that need to be reduced or avoided will vary from person to person. In other cases, an individual may find that medication has caused smelly flatulence. For over-the-counter medications, a person will likely find relief by stopping the product. Here are some tips. Eat slowly. When you eat quickly, you swallow more air that can turn into intestinal gas. Eat your meals slowly to reduce how much air you swallow. This applies to gum chewing, too. Drink a lot of water. Constipation can cause poop to stick around in your gut too long. That can make your stomach hurt and produce smellier gas than usual. Water helps loosen up your bowels and keep your bowel movements more regular. Avoid carbonated drinks. Soda, beer, and sparkling drinks all contain carbon dioxide, which can turn into gas in your gut. Avoid all spicy, raw foods and cold drinks. They act directly on the stomach, inhibiting digestion, causing gas and bloating and flatulence. You should limit it as much as possible. Go easy on the fiber. Fiber is great for your diet, but high-fiber foods like fruit, oat bran, and beans can all make you excessively gassy. Temporarily reduce them until your discomfort goes away. Take some medication. Over-the-counter medicines like simethicone, Gas X, or alpha-galactosidase and invertase, BINO, can help reduce gas and bloating. Gas X breaks up gas bubbles in your digestive tract. BINO has enzymes that break down sugars to make them easier to digest. Try some yoga poses. If you're feeling gassy but it's not coming out easy, try some yoga poses to help expel some gas. Quick home remedies for flatulence and bloating. Ginger and lime. Take 1 teaspoon of grated ginger mixed with 1 teaspoon of lime juice in immediately. Ginger, asafoetida, and rock salt. In 1 cup of warm water add half a teaspoon of dry ginger powder, a pinch of asafoetida and a pinch of rock salt. This mixture serves as an excellent home remedy for flatulence. Lemon and baking soda. 1 teaspoon lemon juice and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda into 1 cup cool water. Drink it right after meals. Honey and cinnamon. Take 1 tablespoon of honey with 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder will relieves the gas problems. Fennel seeds. Chew 1/2 teaspoon of fennel seeds. Fennel helps to dissipate gas by relaxing muscle spasms in the digestive tract. Peppermint. Chewing peppermint serves as an effective fart home remedy treatment, as it contains menthol that aids in treating the problem of flatulence. When to worry and see a doctor. Most gas, even incredibly stinky gas, is perfectly normal. But having too much gas or really smelly gas might mean there's an underlying issue. See your doctor. If you have any of the following symptoms along with more gas or stinkier gas than normal: intense cramps, feeling extremely bloated and flatulence, feeling sick, throwing up, constipation, diarrhea, abnormal weight loss. Having these symptoms consistently over a long period of time may mean any number of bowel conditions, like bowel obstruction or colon cancer. Memorize. In case the condition is not easy to control after applying the remedies, you should see a doctor.